In this video, I'll show you how to set up a workflow in Shopify using the Mercuri API. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand side panel, click on Flow under Apps. You can also use the search bar at the top to find the Flow app. Now, click on Create Workflow in the top right corner. Choose Select a trigger to start from scratch. Now we need to specify a trigger. In the search bar, type Customer Abandons Checkout and select it from the list. To add a new step, click the plus button beside the trigger. Then click on Action. Go to Flow and select Wait. Set the wait time to 1 hour. This way, the WhatsApp reminder will be sent exactly 1 hour after the cart is abandoned. Again, click on plus icon and select Action. Go to Flow and select Send HTTP Request. Now, we'll configure the action to send data to Mercuri's API. Open the Mercuri documentation, go to the Mercuri API section, and copy the endpoint URL. Then, return to your Shopify Flow page, select Post from the HTTP method dropdown, and paste the copied URL into the URL field. Next, open the Mercuri documentation again and copy the authorization key and its value and paste it into the headers field. Then, replace this part of the value with your secret key. To add a secret key, click on Add Secret. To get your secret value, log into your Mercuri dashboard. Go to API Management under Developer Tools and click on Create Token. Enter a description and set the token's expiration duration. Then click Create Token to generate it. Click on Copy icon to copy the Mercuri API token. Paste it in Secret Value field and give it a name.
Click on Save.
Now copy the liquid object and go back to your workflow dashboard. Here replace the $bearer token with the copied liquid object. Go to Mercuri API documentation. Scroll down to find the Mercuri API code snippet. Copy that code and paste it into the body field. After pasting the code, there are a few changes you need to make. First, add your phone number ID. To find it, go to Mercuri Dashboard. Go to Settings, then Channels. Under Channel Configurations, select WhatsApp. Locate your register number, click on the copy symbol next to your WhatsApp number, and select Copy Phone Number ID. Paste the phone number ID corresponding to the phone number ID parameter. For the recipient parameter, click the Add Variable button at the bottom right of the body box. Search for phone number and select it. This will automatically fetch the customer's phone number for the cart abandonment message. Now, add your template ID. To find it, log into your Mercuri dashboard, then go to WhatsApp under Template section. Now locate your template. Click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and select Copy Template ID. Replace the placeholder with the template ID you copied from the Mercuri dashboard. Based on your template variables, include the required parameter. For these parameters to be dynamically filled, we need to add variable. For our template, we have include a single parameter that is first name. Click Add Variable at the bottom of the text box and search for first name to add it. You've now successfully set up the cart abandonment reminder workflow. Next, click Turn on Workflow at the top right corner to activate it. When prompted for confirmation, click Turn on again.